how to housewife. I've just found out I've got some last minute people coming over and I don't have anything to offer them. So I've turned the oven on to preheat. I've pulled some pastry out. I'm going to leave that on the bench to defrost for 2 minutes while I straighten a few things up. And then we are going to come back and make some cheese and ham scrolls. Delicious and super quick. Okay, so it's been a couple of minutes and the pastry is now pliable. So we're going to add the sauce. Actually, I'll just show you what I mean. It's not frozen, it's flexible, but it's not so defrosted that it's sticky. So a couple of minutes is all it needs. So first we're going to add the sauce. So I've used tomato, but you can use barbecue, hot chili, whatever you would like. And then we're going to sprinkle some shredded or diced ham. And then we're going to finish it off with some shredded cheese. So just sprinkle a generous amount of that around and we're going to roll it up. So kind of like rolling sushi, I guess. Just nice and tight, don't let any of the food escape. Don't leave the plastic on there. And just push in the ends. I'm going to slice mine really thin, but you can leave it as thick as you want. You can make it kind of like little sausage roll sizes. You could leave it as one thing and throw it in the oven like that and add some sauce and make a meal out of it if you want. So we'll just transfer it onto a tray with baking paper on it. And you can already see kind of what it's going to look like. Obviously the pastry is going to puff up. And you'll have these delicious ham and cheese filled treats. So these are going to go in the oven on 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so while that's in the oven cooking, I thought I would do my fabric reveal. So last video I asked you guys what you thought I was going to use this beautiful puzzle fabric for. The answer is I'm going to make an apron! Yay! Haven't actually made one before, so it's going to be very interesting. I don't have a pattern, I'm going to sort of work on my own and we'll see how that goes. I will upload it for you, whether it's good or it's not. I'll make sure you get to see it. Okay, so these are out of the oven. They're a little bit hot, but I'll just see if I can show you close up. Doesn't that look delicious? So they're great hot out of the oven or even in school lunch boxes the next day. They're a real crowd pleaser. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Let me know in the comments or click the like button. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss anything coming up. Thank you and have a great day.